Hey everybody, how you doing? Frank here from ARP, Another Rivera production. So I'm working on my third Rake-Sop video to the song Unity. I thought I'd do a short tutorial on how I'm creating a lot of the scenes for the video. The video is going to be in 16:9 ratio, so horizontal. And unfortunately, inside of Midjourney or the Discord server, when you're creating the images, if you do a POV shot, a lot of times you'll get a square 1:1 ratio. However, because it's 16:9, I lead a wider ratio. So Midjourney actually gives you the option of zooming out and setting the amount of zoom. And if you zoom out enough, it's actually going to convert into your required or specified 16:9 ratio inside of the prompt. So instead of doing that, I decided to use the new feature in Photoshop Beta, which is the Generative Expand. So that way I don't have to go through all of those different prompts inside of Midjourney to get the 16:9 ratio that I want. All right, so here you go. Is I have my photo right here that I downloaded from Midjourney. I'm gonna go to the crop tool. Now, you notice that when I do the crop tool, I have Generative Expand up here. I've already set my ratio to be 16:9. So this is actually pretty nice. I'm going to go ahead and expand this. So I want to have definitely the man and the woman in there. So let me go ahead and pull this out. So as you can see, it's actually expanding. I can expand above and to the sides, however I want to do it. If I want to go with the rule of thirds, move them right there. All right, so there you go. It says, what do you want to generate? Now, I don't really have any ideas of what I want to generate, so I'm just going to hit generate and it'll go ahead and then fill in everything around the edges for me and then give me a 16:9 ratio. And there you go. I didn't have to go through like 3 or 4 prompts inside of Midjourney, use up all my fast credits and all that stuff. I just used the new Photoshop Beta to expand my image. Let's see what it comes out with here. All right, actually, that's not too bad. I can deal with this line right here. I'm not really crazy about it. Now what it'll do is it'll give you 3 different options. So if I hit this button here, it's going to give me option number 2, option number 3. I don't like that. That made no sense right there. All right, so I'm going to go with option number, actually I think I'm going to go ahead and regenerate this because I'm not too crazy about what it came out with. Unless it's like I'm looking in a mirror, which it very well could be. All right, hey, that's actually pretty cool. I like that one. That's a good one. So there's one. This is good. We're starting to see. So this kind of looks like you're looking in a reflection from a window. It actually filled out the rest of the man. All right, so here you have the original ones. That's 3, 4, 5, 6. I actually think I'm going to go ahead and go with probably number 2. All right, so now that I've done with that, I'm just going to go ahead and save it. All right, so I'm going to save a copy as a PNG, go ahead and put it inside of my Unity file, and boom, there you go, done. So that's how you can bypass the zoom feature in Midjourney or the Discord server of Midjourney and just use Photoshop Beta to do the Generative Expand to get that 16:9 ratio. Hopefully this helped, and everybody take care. Be sure to hit that and subscribe button if this was helpful for you. Really appreciate it. Peace. God bless.